you sign, the father shall when you sign, no big day, yes, so you know signs okay, rush. They want to give Pikin paper. You know, even they take care of Pikin, you know they find Pikin. So as they say, I come out now, come on, me, they not carry me, go back to Nigeria. Okay. You can't tell me, say, okay, right now, he go call lawyer. Say by this time tomorrow, say, me, I hold my phone, say, he go call lawyer. This one, May 26th. You see my picture, I don't know whether person tell and say, I they do birthday. I just say drop message, say, may I try call and more talk. Before I will contact talk that day. May he call lawyer the next day. If you don't call lawyer, may lawyer for do am again, make me and baby take come back to Jamie. Now we date till today, since May 27. Now he call me till today. You know they call me nothing. If I know what happen with that.
All right. I feel bring the baby mama up.
Yeah, if she said that you bring her up, if you bring her up.
All right, but just now.
Sir?
You regret why you insulted her before.
Yes.
His wife, I say baby mama. Sorry, his wife. May I bring your wife up?
Okay, no problem.
No, my platform is a very big platform. I have happiness in my job, but this has to do. Hello, happiness.
Epa, Domo, I greet you. Domo, sir. Adeo, Domo.
If there's anything when you want to talk, just let me know.
Epa, to be honest. Mercy, now I know say be her name. She don't look for my attention, you understand? Because she don't go a lot of platform. We be say I not come for her once, you understand? Before we do traditional marriage, though we have been married since 2015 for court wedding. I don't tell you all those ones.
Hold on first. Big it to her.
Sir?
Move your side.
Okay.
Move for the yapping continue.
Okay, so since 2015 we don't marry. So because me, I don't be that kind of person where I don't to believe in all those traditional marriage of 18. So I was one of the reasons I say I never ready that time. Just do this now Germany with them. Just do Germany that time. Not be say maybe people will say that me give my paper. No, I don't give my paper. He don't already get Spanish paper before he come Germany. So what did your Festus? Okay, so what did happen? Be say when this issue even come out. See what he say he born, yeah, Messi say they born. I be the last person to even know, to be honest. And I still explain to you says because I get 1 or 2 issue that time. And so when the thing happen, he not even tell me. Now when later I see reach out, as I first explain to you, I not going to move anywhere. Now I find I say I can't ask her. He can't tell me say he be no, he say the girl go remove her because the girl they date another guy that time, they date another guy for house. You understand? Not be only he date another guy too. So now we can believe say he get the belly. I say make una go do DNA. At least this one are Europe. It's not the matter of say you can't date us. If you get Pikin, you will not go no as now fit co-parent. So now I can't this girl wey talk to my best friend that time. This girl not my best friend. I person why I know. So that one now I can't tell that say you even know. Now I can't say he no know as he want to tell me because I want to tell person that kind of thing say see what happen. So in the one hurt me. And I say well though I no problem. I say okay give me this girl number which is Messi. It one. Now you got to say no, me I no make problem. I say make problem care. And I say too much up past that one. And this my age now. I want they follow woman, they fight for waiting for man. God forbid. Now I can carry the guy number. The girl number. Now I can say she was shocked saying na me. Now I say I hear what happen. My sister I don't get problem with you. As I talk to her so me you not get problem. The only thing when I look as soon as I want to take cooperate because now the Pikin last class go suffer now because the Pikin not they wanna go do the rubbish what una do. So you guys need to find a very neutral ground. Maybe say if you want
I want to see people that clap for you because it takes only a wise woman like you to be this nice. You are so nice. So continue.
Yeah, so no, she did. She fit talk if I remove or not. So now that matter come end. So again one day like that, I did my I don't remember. I don't forget that I did my auntie house. This girl just they call me. Now say what happen? Don't say I call you once. Not me say maybe you go call me all this. So I come pick up and say what did happen? My Pikin are your Pikin. I say of course I know, no problem. You know what did they happen? Now so Robo don't sign fatal sharp and all the rest for the Pikin. And now say if you dey shout for man, say you dey man will not need you, say you dey force yourself on I go even talk to her. So which one way they talk say now you get time now I call us make it say no, not be him. I call her sit down say listen, if they carry your Pikin go Nigeria now you not go like am o. Say your Pikin go the suffer, you understand? You not say you not good, you understand? Not say you not good say you come here now say your Pikin go the suffer. We say you get passport. You can't talk say because the thing you pay now you know people say go fit make such a mistake. Now say without you they do and they treat you so you not because they talk say it is such a mistake. You don't happen. Pikin will not become Pikin mistake. You get. So do me you go sign now. So this one way to they talk say no sign fatal sharp and Zoggerich. Me I see the paper. He signed both fatal sharp and Zoggerich. The first thing wey first happen when he first go sign
of video me I show am for here.
when he first go the first time he carry a Nigeria passport take go sign. He carry a Nigeria passport take go sign. Now you come talk say no they don't need the Nigeria passport make he bring the German passport. So now that one they need, you understand? Now you can't take go another time. You understand? So even when this one they talk say all those times when they talk say they call. Now me the way say call this Pikin, not me even though you know I will talk to your mama. Now say get where the Pikin go even reach. The Pikin go even get phone. You feel they even through the phone they talk to the Pikin. You don't even need to go through the mother self. He say because he hates the girl with passion, the way the girl take do, the way they betray her, this and this. Now say you know consign me. I don't want my headache now the Pikin because why not be good thing? Say Pikin like that he go grow up without a father figure. Obviously, I just dey my parlor one day. It one just carry phone. He just call me no insult. Where this girl not rain on me. Oh. Now so he go my church. He go tell them say he born for my husband. Now say I say you want to tell them. I say I beg you need my church address. I say I beg I go send up for you make you go. Now say for my age now because they fear anybody. Now say I be you know my father now bring me from my father even did that area. I beg I will describe my father as for you. Now say but once if you say you want to fight now say if they not remove your dead body you know say my name not be blessing. Now what I tell her. He dey here now because it's not my dead body they go carry this and now say you say you gonna tell me say in a street girl now so you go do now say my sister forget that thing you not reach you understand forget say maybe they carry me come at a very tender age at a very young age wait till I know you not feel know so you not because they now you born for person your husband you consider insult now say maybe not the body where I give you even some of my friends come every time say which kind of foolishness they worry me why me go even they call the girl they follow the girl so I say I know my problem because all those things for me now just unnecessary stress because at the end of the day not be me be the Pikin one day with not be me they not be me one they be their middleman so now they go must take care of the Pikin now say but for it to go they call me call they sort me now I'm mad down that they tell and say if they really carry if they can't come if they not carry dead body come may not call me blessing and I mean now so before she call they talk say hey call before I know other 1 hour. He can't call me. His sister can't call me. One of his sisters. That one friend tell me say I beg. I see. He just come. He to just tell and say. And so he just they cost me. She with the proud. They tell that one say. And so she do. And so she don't do. Now that one tell and say you pest your husband. You see for pest your husband. You see get matter the cost. And I say you say the girl good though. If not son you for don't receive. The day you even do the dedication. I know the way you do the dedication. I know the church. All my information before I don't gather around. I not be small people be say it will come feel like say oh maybe the information they give us say this girl na novice. I be don't get that information. Wait till I be the plan to do and she for regret her life. But on the other hand, I look and say that the Pikin I will come suffer and you understand because I don't need all those say innocent Pikin like that. Can they do all those things? Now I say leave her. So where the courage now? No get man. We all together will be 8 people for this house, 6 children, 2 adults. You know, I think you say we just knew acquired our property some. So of course they will calculate everything where man they get. Me as a nurse, I know how much they get. But then again, they want to calculate, you know as Germany be, they must calculate how much each person needs to survive. You know, as you get according to their own standard. No. So when they calculate, then okay, you go reach to the pay. Now you cut the pay unter height for the Pikin. All of a sudden, letter come from you get and say not pay again. No, the woman don't carry Pikin wrong go Italy. She will not. You don't need to pay again. You understand? So now be waiting co-op. All of a sudden I see say this guy they go from platform to platform. They mention my name. They do see now. I fell laugh before my life. I fell laugh. So people will be say they look for a way to saga me before they can't say they don't see material to saga me. None of all those things are nonsense. You understand? Very measure now. Every men attention they get now. 3 women before so not be new thing. At you get so not be you don't use that one saga man say another woman born for another thing. One big deal. I bet you that is without a sin. Make the person raise the hand or you understand? So now. So you not because use that one say when is a bully me, you not go rich, you not rich, you understand? If you say okay, the cash and I say oh wow, I say okay, I dey shame. Now you go born, now you still call they threaten me. Now I change that for her. So since that day, anything we have to do with this girl, I not just want pull body because you don't say, oh, now drink. It was not a drink before, not be baby. You should make it on the drink. You understand? Now you don't a drink before. When it doesn't like I will ask her what to make that the fake collect the Pikin. So all this is not my business. I get a lot of information about this girl. Just I look, I just pity the small Pikin. Now I just stay leave one. Not be say by go come. Yes. At you get. So I just come up not because of your platform, because you don't feel go that platform believing, because when I say for your wife, oh, I don't say she want me you saga me, she want me you match the picture, she want me you now when your wife come, I me see explain to your wife say see how it happen epa. If you want to talk about the matter, epa, go on. Even saga me if you feel like saying me wrong or na the man wrong. Do anything they do for other people. Not look and say maybe you know me. Epa, do what you want to do. Do it like that. No hold back. Now me see use my mind tell you for you to know say I not fear anything, because why? Now you look for my trouble. And second, she just say, oh, she don't know say man get wife. Epa, a ban of a tanner. I want very small way to say everybody know everybody. I don't even go to there because it's none of my business. I was not there when they were doing what they were doing. It's not like it literally has nothing to do with me. But wait this she come out and use and rob me. Now that one me not just they want at all at you get. So because she they feel like you're talking now, you get all the saga queen in a corner. Not be by that one. Me, I be one man squad. Forget anything. You understand? So if na people you pull body say, oh, they'll go help you saga me. Even maybe pull for the boko body. Boko na data, me na data. You understand? Yes, I come say my data sister Alpha. No, I bet this matter remove body. You understand? Now so you go reach. So, but what I'm trying to say is this: you don't born for man, you don't born for man. So what is all this noise making? Okay, all this one you didn't do for social media. Now I want to be the man. Now I come to say, oh, I'm in love with my child, or I want to have a relationship with my child. No, you just disgrace yourself. They disgrace that Pikin, because tomorrow that Pikin will wake up to see what his mama they do. Is of no. It doesn't make sense. I don't know if you understand, because you know they do me anything. Even the man, now man, oh, another woman feel see open for her tomorrow. You not go change anything for the man. Now yourself, you just a disgrace. That is the funny part. It not affect me. It not affect the man. Now you, now your Pikin will wake up to consistency see what you they do. That Pikin when they talk to now get Pikin. You know, I know he get where go. She go look for a papa come. He go get a relationship with papa. He go say you now you be bad person. See what you call they do papa for social media. The papa never for one day come do you. So what is the meaning of all this? Now nonsense. Now nothing. It doesn't make sense to me. Oh, and more than not, I don't want anybody side me, but this is just the reality and this is just the truth.
So much happiness. In fact, I'm proud of you, and I want to clap for you again because it's not easy. It takes yes. It takes only a wise woman to speak like this. Believe me, all the women are on your side, even me myself. I supported you because now you get husband, now you they go cheat on. So you now beg we go beg you. I will go for it. I will forever be loyal to you. Yes, because now you can't because go give married man. You do what you want to married man finish, you bump put. You see? So I big it one. You will apologize to her again here. For us, you will apologize. Then before we come beg her officially again on how we can be able to beg her husband. If now €100, if now 150, if now 200 though, maybe they say they give your Pikin for Italy. Because Pikin already follow and come. Since you now not did the Jama territory again, if you did now maybe the man feel they pay the Pikin. But now we know the because of tomorrow, because nobody knows what the future holds. That baby is innocent. That baby now, innocent. Now you so this it on. Now you know what you do. So you involving this woman, though you said it before, say you regretted your actions so as that, but you go still re-apologize to her again. And they see people, they say team happiness, some they say team it on. And the snatch husband be now where they say team it on. So now they snatch husband and they observe now from comment section. So what snatch out there. So to take person husband and pride to some of now will be ladies. Oh man. Itoa, please. I apologize to happiness.
Epa, hear what you talk. Sister Blessing, I beg. I offend you well. Even Mrs. that time, the thing still they pay me for body. The way I take carry food, they insult you that day. I beg. La o mommy la egui. I take God beg you, I beg. All the insults when I lay for you that day, no be your portion. I beg anything when I do, forgive me. As I first talk, I still talk. I don't know say you don't marry to say I know. I for not pull head. But it don't happen, it don't happen. All the insult, all the word when I talk that day, I beg, no verse, I beg. I beg, forgive me for the sake of Michelle. Now still your baby, now still your daughter. I beg, forgive me.
Let's see. Thank you. Me to talk. You see, Mota, where every year I go, I'm not yet. What does it mean in English? If matter come, now wisdom and understanding, now you go fit take follow up. My lady, happiness, I beg will still beg you. You see, everybody on my comment section is on your side. But we go beg you, me you still help us beg your husband. I know your husband go even dey, if you dey even dey beg your husband go dey surprised. Yeah. Now you cause they beg me because now only you will get, now only you get access to your husband. So check out now, since 2015. It was now 2021. Abi? Yes. So one year door. Please, my lady happiness. I want to make it be say because you don't already fair. That was your dream, that was your vision. Say make this man cooperate with her, even if you say they're not there again. But you have to be very smart, my sister happiness. If you are bringing them together to cooperate, you have to be very calm and smart. Make cooperating, not go bring another Pikin. I know say the ladies now go say, hey, no, we don't understand you, but the wise lady will understand me. Because I don't see where co-parenting. At the end of the day, say, only I want to go visit my baby from there. Obole. Obole. And it will me know, but one still do am too because you want make your boy picky from one man. Since then, it was never born. I did tell now.
If I don't get no, you are very much right because even if she can remember, if not her from the beginning, or when you take what many you take gualomona your mommy, so you're on so she will not have any reason to remove it because this is the thing. You understand? I don't have problem. See, the truth of the matter is, I don't get problem with it one. I will never because na fellow woman. You get as I say, Pikin don't evolve. I don't feel get problem with her. So as I say, me talk to you calmly because it will say me use ass body they cause you. I know some women they follow they carry a fact they go to meet their husband whether a side chick or picky way woman way born for their husband because they say they want disgrace herself. I cannot be myself solo because why I still get family where they say they see they where they see they look me. At least you see no one of my younger sister you know gay. You understand? Even so they talk, I can go right for you to know. I don't know what okay, imagine my sister be don't know what they happen. It will just carry go look for my sister for Facebook. Just go right to her. Like, what were you looking for? What were you trying to achieve? I don't know if you understand.
Yeah.
So all those things I was angry. I felt stupid to be honest. So okay, me and you, we don't talk. You can go to look for my junior sister, my family. What they want call this? Okay, make a call carry my low come out or make a call tell you say okay, you can't be second wife or that. I don't know if you get. But then again, let bygone be bygone. I don't get problem with her. But make she compose herself. That is just the truth. Because Pikin did there where they look up to her and I get Pikin. So you understand? So it's I don't like I said I don't have any problem with her, and I feel pity for her. Say she can't need to leave go Italy because when it was to see the Germany too, she was not of her bad behavior as well. So all those things as a woman you need to compose. You get so well. It is like I said I don't get problem with her. I pray may God solve all the issues. Maybe not the Italian will constantly favor her. Nobody knows. Yeah. So I don't like I said I don't get problem. So now because of you, now even come out. If another person apart from whether she shot today, go reach tomorrow, I don't go come. You not go sign me. So that is just
happiness. Thank you so much. And did you hear what happiness said it one? He said me.
Yes, I hear what you talk. I hear.
Yes. And I go to pray. I will collect your number, big it one. I get happiness from you. You guys see how we fit to settle this outside Sultan make the month. Even if now even if now 150. But it one, you go promise me today One, if you drink, you no call live video.
No, never again. I no carry this issue come dey talk for social media again. No, no,
No
no.
be the day you drink again. Because
No,
my
if I no, no,
I go
no.
saga
I no
you.
even expect her say. I no even expect say she go climb up here as I
Okay.
dey here just now.
You go
So I
saga
no fit carry this matter come again.
if you come up, if you go people platform again, go the phone say you drink, I go saga you.
Okay, sir. I no try am again. I no do. I no do am again.
No say me you not drink. Now you know why you dey drink, but if you drink, sleep. Or just dey dance for his ass, nobody go see you. But if you drink, now when the man one day your pikin laugh. But you see another say the wife, na very easy person. If na some women wey their head dey if na somebody like my wife, who here, who cool, not sleeping. If na where by now sef, where you are bolo. So just be thankful that the woman here right now is a peaceful woman that does not need drama, that is more intellectual and educated, wey still want make peace dey because if na some way you jam, the woman go dey use that advantage on you say you sleep with your husband till dey vibrate and everybody go dey support am. You never see problem o. E go dey shout, e go dey mad, e go dey insult. If you talk, people go say make you quiet. Na you go no matter wetin the woman go do you, people go still support am. But in her case, she did not come here to insult you. She just explain am in a brief way wey all of us go take understand am. So go and thank your God. So thank you so much, my lady happiness. I sincerely appreciate your level of education, your level of intelligence, your steez now 100%. I am proud say you come my platform. I'm so happy for you to even regard me, for you to even respect me. Say okay, make I still go talk because she dey go different platforms since all this while, and you know they. So thank you so much. Big it one. You send me your number. Yeah.
Okay, I'll drop am for your DM.
Yes. If I don't talk to her finish, anything that you not 200.
I'll leave here.
You know, 200 euro that they give your picture every month. It's okay. It's good. You know how the euro be. They not easy, but when the man yesterday the picture life, the mistake has already been made. And human life they already follow and come. That baby na innocent. Na innocent as affected consent. That's it. Thank you so much, my lady. I sincerely appreciate it.
Hey, Pa, Wesley, no problem. I greet all of you now. Okay, now, ma, calm down. Time for me to go pick it. No problem now. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, bye-bye.
Sir?
Behave yourself.
Yeah, Pa. Thank you very much.
As you say, I know say this thing are risk is that what put a stop to all these things. It is okay. Not be like that idiot wey they call Olevino. You na don born, Olevino not born. You na normal beer. Do not use your body to compare Olevino. Olevino don frustrate for life. You don already pass am for life, and in the life to come. You don pass Poco too. You don't know me, you know. If you behave yourself, you become lady. Na Italy you dey. If you still marry, they still love you. Who you are. You know if you call your people not say your people are mistake. God forbid. Your child is never a mistake. And it is never too easy. It's never too late for you to start again. But you still there. You don't reach 40 years.
No, I'll be 32.
You still get 8 years to go. So you are still very much young and so I beg, yeah. If the man is good for people, he will day. If the man for his wife say he want to see you, tell me, I'll tell you that.
Okay. I hear.
If I hear say the man, this man can see you, and you can't tell me say if you not sleep with me, well, I could saga you.
No, if I not fit do that kind thing again, oh, no.
This you don't born this one. Since when you take born this one, so you don't born join.
No, knowledge I get. I never born.
But you not pray, not the lady this one you want born, abi?
No, I'll marry. I'll born another one. But I'm not today in rush again.
Hey, it was.
I go.
If you see your baby father wey give you belle with him body your first pikin, you go give am.
No, never.
Wey don hey you dey.
Epa, no, I don't fit do that kind of thing.
You go give her yeah, why you dey talk like that thing? You go give her, you say after all dem go still saga you, but e go dey say na one man you born for.
So Epa, no. Na person husband, no, I don't fit again. I don't fit do that kind of thing again.
Okay. Thank you so much. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.